Hi, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do a review of a new product called Profit Launcher. Now, what is Profit Launcher? It is about making review videos on YouTube. There are many ways to make money with review videos on YouTube. If you want to get paid to promote a product, you can start by choosing a niche or topic which you are knowledgeable about. You can also use video editing software to create a high quality video. In order to generate large amount of views and income, your video should be of high quality. Now, it is also important to choose the best niche to focus on, since this will determine how many people view your videos. This is to make your review videos more popular and you can start a lucrative business from it. This is where Profit Launcher comes in, with a step-by-step video tutorial to guide you on how to make money with review videos on YouTube. Now, this is the sales page. You do take your time to scroll through and read the various information on it. These are the two developers of this product, Shuklak and Caron. Now, should you decide to buy this product, you will come to this members area. This is the dashboard. And with it, you will get the welcomes from the developer themselves. And there is a case study here. And there is a mindset for profit, whereby it will prepare you to have a winning mindset to succeed in this product. And under this setting up for profit, there are different platforms that need to set up in order to use for the review of the videos. Here, finding an offer, it will teach you how to find a good offer. All right, there is a section where it will teach you how to do a review videos without camera. There's making a review videos with bonuses, and there is evergreen videos, and there's a support button here. There are various upgrades, which I will talk about it a bit later. And the vendors do give you a number of bonuses. Bonus number 1 is the Instagram traffic explosion. Bonus number 2 is the ClickBank mastery. Bonus number 3 is the ultimate TikTok hack. Bonus number 4 is the Double Dragon. Bonus number 5 is the CPA Underground secret for big profits. If you decide to buy this product, do click onto the link at the description below and you will come to this bonus page. All right, and should you decide to buy this product, do click on to any of the yellow buttons here to secure your copy of the product as well as the bonuses. Here there is some description on the Profit Launcher, as well as prices and upsells. Now at the front end of Profit Launcher at $12.95, you will get the software and training modules. Upsell number 1 would be the Profit Ranker, and this will teach you on the many secrets on how to maximize your SEO, all right, to outrank your competitors and to increase your traffic and sales. Upsell number 2 will be the Profit Abundance. Now, this Profit Abundance was launched by the Team Alpha, and they are giving away this amazing product at an amazing price, something that is worth considering. Upsell number 3 will be the Resellers Rights. Okay, you can sell Profit Launcher as your own product and keep the commissions on the whole funnel. Upsell number 4 will be the Personal Coaching, where you will get some guidance on all or parts of your this system. Here are the some key benefits of the products. If you decide to buy this product under my link, you will be getting some of the bonuses that I've selected specifically for you to complement the product that you are buying. Bonus number 1 will be the sneaky way to use product reviews on YouTube. Bonus number 2 will be my 35 plus bonuses that you can use to promote your product. Bonus number 3 will be the get Google traffic with resell rights. And bonus number 4 will be my collection of done for you funnels to monetize. Bonus number 5 will be the free access to all bonuses from the vendor. Let me do a recap as to what you will get by purchasing Profit Launcher. You will get the software and the training. You will get the vendor's bonuses, and you will get my bonuses plus 30-day money-back guarantee at the price of $12.95. It is a product that is worth considering because everything that you need to learn about creating review videos is in this software. You will get not only a side income, and it can be a business on its own. Thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you at the next review. Thanks. Bye.